How's it going, y'all? Justin Mitchell here at MarineMax Dallas, hanging outside this beautiful XT24. Let's jump inside and go through this boat. There's so much going on this XT24 at the transom, from the Surfstar surf system to that transom thruster back there to the surf step, making it for you and your furry friends to get in and out of the boat a lot easier. We even have these comfortable chairs right here that make it easy to lean back. I even got a transom remote right here. I can have a whole party on the back of this boat without even stepping inside. As you can see in the X24, once we move into the boat, every seat is set up to still face the transom of the boat and enjoy all the action happening back on those wakes and waves. From the cool touch vinyl to the awesome clip sound system that comes with 2 subs, you're definitely guaranteed to enjoy all the action on the lake this summer while you're rocking and rolling. My name's Justin Mitchell and this is the XT24 here at MarineMax Dallas. Come check this boat out. Let's go on a demo.